Quit on his face. Quit on your face. Get in the car right now. I was going to say van. I'm used to you getting in the van. But get in the car.
Why?
We're going to have a talk. I was going to try to pick you up at the bottom of the hill because I'm mad at you. We're going to have a conversation here. Put on your seatbelt.
No.
It's beeping at me. Put on your seatbelt. All right, Leland. Your school called us. And you pulled the fire alarm?
Yeah.
You are grounded.
Okay.
Taking you back home. But your mom's gonna beat you.
Oh gosh. You know what's for dinner?
Yeah, spaghetti, because your mom's upset.
Yay.
You don't ever pull the fire alarm unless it's a natural emergency.
Why not?
And that goes to any of you guys watching this. Put down the phone. I'm not in the mood to vlog. You are grounded. This whole time, okay, for the next few days, however long you're suspended for, there's no video games, there's nothing, there's no tablets, there's no phone, there's just nothing.
Tablet.
Well, you're not having it.
Oh.
You're not having any of it. You're just gonna do school assignments on your computer, and that is it. I mean it. You don't ever pull the fire alarm. Why are you laughing at me? I mean it. There's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. You know, for the next few days, you're going to do schoolwork online, and that is it. There's nothing. No PlayStation, no Xbox, nothing. So sick of this, Leland. Shut up, car. I got plenty of space between me and the side-by-side. Now give me back my phone. All this to get out of a test.
Yeah.
You're just gonna have to take it eventually.
Alright, goodbye. I'll drive the side-by-side now.
You're not driving the side-by-side. You go talk to your mother. And close the door.